Hi, and welcome to Sharon Safe Haven. I'm Sharon Taylor, your Norwex independent consultant, and today we're going to talk a little bit about this Norwex Microfiber Cleaner that I mentioned in my last video with the laundry package, but I want to especially highlight this product today. We recommend that you deep clean your cloths every 2 to 3 months with our microfiber cleaner. All you need is a pail of hot water, not boiling hot, but hot water. Put a scoop of the microfiber cleaner in, let it dissolve, and then put the cloths you need cleaned in there. I'm going to read to you, so I don't mess it up, exactly how this is supposed to work and what it's supposed to do for you. It says removes deep down tough stains and odors from microfiber cloths and complements your favorite Norwex laundry detergent to remove stubborn odors, deep cleans, white and whites, and bright and brights. Enzyme powered stain and odor remover, not a soap, bleach, or bluing agent. Fragrance that naturally derives sweet orange extract. No chlorine, bleach, ammonia, dyes, synthetic fragrances, phosphates, or phthalates. So that's our microfiber cleaner. And so I'm going to get the bucket and I'll show you how we're going to deep clean our cloths. And we're going to put a 1 scoopful and we're going to put it in there and let that dissolve. I'll stir it up here. Now, I've been with Norwex for almost a year. It'll be a year in January. And so these cloths are less than a year old. Most of them are probably like 8 months old. And they've never been deep cleaned. So we're going to put this to the test, see how it does. Probably my very dirtiest one is my mop pad, which is kind of gray, but not bad. It seems it cleans up pretty well. I just literally grabbed this off my kitchen sink. It's the Enviro sponge. We'll plop him in there. My absolutely dirtiest and grubbiest cloths are these kitchen cloths because I use them multiple times during the day. I actually wash my dishes. I know there's debate about whether you should wash them or just use them to wipe your counters off, but they're very handy and they get used the most. So I want to put my whole kitchen drawer full of these cloths in my water here to get cleaned up. There's quite a few of them, so I'm going to push them down in there, get those soaked. I think it's going to be a very grimy batch. I'm going to put my makeup cloths. This one I just took out of my bathrooms, but I've been using this week. I don't know if you can see it, but it's got some stains in there from mascara. These ones have already been cleaned, but you can tell that they've been well used and a little bit stain on there, so we're going to get that. A lot of people don't think their microfiber should stain, but I mean, we use them for the dirtiest of jobs, so they are going to get stained. They don't say that they stay stain free. I'm going to throw in my Enviro cloths. Actually, I don't think these look bad. These are my most used Enviro cloths, and they're still pretty nice looking, I think, for as much abuse as they get. And these have never been deep cleaned. I just clean them as they need it. And then here's some of our body cloths. These are the ones my husband's been using to clean my shower, which is inappropriate. They are only used for the body. But I noticed since he's been cleaning the shower with them, when he gets done, he dries off the shower completely with it. And it's getting a little bit rough. So I just wanted to see if it might add some life and softness back to these cloths. So I'll let you know. We're going to set a timer for 30 minutes for all these cloths. And then we're going to put them in the washer and wash them like normal. And then I'll show you how that turns out. So we're going to let this soak for 30 minutes. Alright, we'll see you then. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes and just take a look at our water here. It's all kind of cloudy and gunky. So that's been soaking. And so now we're going to put it in the washer with a teaspoon of Ultra Power Plus laundry detergent, and we're just going to let it run through the normal cycle, and then we're going to take a look at the cloths and see how well they did. Alright, and the cloths are done. Just got them out of the dryer, and they definitely look cleaner. I really noticed on these makeup cloths, there's no makeup left on it, no mascara, so it got all those makeup stains off. The sponge is like a different color, is much lighter. It's nice and very, very clean. And I noticed that these kitchen cloths had begun to have a little odor even after being washed, but they have no smell again. So that enzyme went to work in the microfiber cleaner. It was well worth it. But my little body cloths, I mean, they're definitely cleaner, but they're not as soft as I was hoping that they would be. But we'll just continue to let my husband use these to clean the shower. So we definitely recommend that you deep clean your cloths 2 to 3 times a year, just to give them like a little fresh start. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and comment below.